understand the difference between trading and investing. So in your circle of friends, most likely you heard this story from a guy and girl that he had $10,000 in the stock market when he was 22. And in the course of a couple of weeks, he lost all of that money. He went bankrupt and he had to move back to his parents' basement. I mean, those stories are true and we hear those stories all the time, but those are mostly about trading. People use every tool that is available to them to try to predict the direction of the market and the direction of the price. And that's a very, very difficult task to do. It's very technical, it takes a lot of time, and most people fail at it. So that's one way of participating in the stock market. There is another way of participating in the stock market, which is what we are talking about, and that's about investing. The best way to think about it is investing in the real estate. When you invest in real estate, you find a good real estate, you put your money and you don't expect the value of that piece of land or that building that you purchased, it's gonna go up in the next 2 hours. Let's just observe. You invest in that real estate, you wait for a year, 2 years, 3 years, many years, and as the value of that piece of land or that house that you bought go up, the value of investment also goes up. Same thing is possible in the stock market. You invest in companies for the long term and you ignore what's happening in the short term. And as those companies that you invested in grow their business, your investment grows with them. And that's the best way to participate in the stock market.